So we're back. We're making our much sought after charcoal soap today. Of course, as usual, clay's in the bucket, and this has more bentonite clay in it. Huh? Yeah. This has more bentonite clay in it than usual, and this is the only soap that I do that in. And that's because of the beneficial properties of the bentonite and the charcoal together. Okay, here you go, my trusty assistant. We have a lye solution here, and as usual, we have goat's milk, now added tussin silk, sodium lactate, and our lye solution. And you guys know that I do a 50-50 solution of lye and distilled water. Okay. And this is still at a 2-to-1 ratio. Vinegar, please, mademoiselle. All right. Thank you. So you love what you feel. Your mother had me cracking up last night when she was listening to that. You seen her, right, trying to be slick? What? In the corner, singing after you was like, is that your song?
Yeah. Every time I ask her she knows songs, she's like, I don't know that song.
She know all the songs. She need to stop. Okay. Because of all that bentonite clay, you gotta be real careful. See how dark it is already? Gotta make sure everything mixed up. Or emulsified. Yeah, moved it over. Alright, so this should be good and emulsified. And of course, we're going to do our super fat. You could add in 2 tablespoons of the aloe and sugar solution.
2 tablespoons?
4 teaspoons. Just added in. I'm sorry, I said tablespoons. Crazy. Two tablespoons of the Greek yogurt. Yep. And then you could dump in the super fat oils. Okay. Let's take this out your way. Whole thing. Yep. Well, be careful because you don't want to get that water in there from off the bottom of it. Oh, okay. Just pour it in. Just make sure you get all of it. If you use the flat part on the side, yeah, you just scrape it out. Okay, so we're going to mix this in here. And this one is my 3-in-1 bar. So it triples as a body bar, shampoo bar, and a facial bar. So you can wash your hair with it. You can wash your face with it.
How does it do with shampoo? How does it do with shampoo?
Well, it does pretty good. I've tried it, and then I sent it to somebody that's in Florida, a Caucasian lady, and it was during the summertime, and the humidity was horrible, and her hair looked like she just got a blowout after she used this. She sent me so much. She was like, "Oh my gosh, what did you put in here?" She was a soap maker too. Of course, I didn't give her my recipe, but still. Gotta make sure this thing's still recording. Crazy camera. Okay, Deborah. So, before this gets too thick, you can add in, give me a teaspoon for right now of the charcoal. What'd you do with the you could have just wiped this off and added it in, but it's fine. Be careful with that because it does get everywhere.
1 teaspoon?
Yep, we'll start off with 1 teaspoon.
Oh, stick.
That's fine. You can do a heaping. You can do a heaping teaspoon. I just told you not to do that because it's going to get everywhere. Just drop it right in on one spot. Okay, so let's see how this looks. See how it puffs. Let's try to gather all of this up, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to do, I don't even know why I did that because I'm not taking this off. We're going to do our fragrance. And this is just a blend of, I have yoga on the tip of my finger. A blend of tea tree, neem, and rosemary oils. And as you can see, I do put a good bit in here of these very expensive essential oils. And this stinks like high heaven, but it's really good for your skin. It's like an astringent, it's antimicrobial, antifungal, antiseptic. It stinks, right? It smells like garlic. And then the rosemary to cap it off. Oh, put the top back on that, girl. Jesus. Okay, let's mix this in. See how it's all garlic and oniony? But the tea tree and the rosemary, like,
Nice.
Yeah, it maxes it out.
Uh-oh, it's just on.
I was like, no. Let me put a... Oh, no, it went away. I was about to say, we put some more rosemary in it. And this is the first time actually that I made this cold process. I usually do it hot process, and that basically just means that I cook the soap instead of letting it do its own thing.
Do its own thing?
Yeah, saponify on its own instead of me forcing it through saponification. The soap heats up on its own and basically like cooks itself overnight. And it hardens, and I'm just flicking this everywhere. It hardens, and it starts to, the water that's in it starts to evaporate. I don't use that much water in any of my recipes to begin with. I used to when I first started out, but I don't want them to take forever, because if you use full water most of the time, it takes like 6 weeks in order for you to be able to use your soap. And because this is charcoal and you see how it poofed up like that, I'm going to just scrape around and make sure all the color is in. Okay. This is one of my best sellers. Everybody loves this soap. It's a different recipe this go around. Still same components, just in a different way. So, we're going to get our mold, and we're going to pour this in the mold. And that's that. And we still soaked pretty warm. And I'm holding this all wrong. We soaked pretty warm. So, but this is beautiful. There's nothing more better than wet black soup. I just want to scrape out everything. Make sure you got all the soap out of here, and it's easier to wipe out that way too. Oh yeah, boy. We could probably texture this top too.
With the spatula.
You can use that big spoon. Just wipe it off.
This one I use for the line.
Yeah. Okay, we can tap that down. Okay.
Don't get me.
Well, I guess you're just gonna be goddamn. You want to be scared about it. Alright, that's good. It's heavy. A lot of soap. Alright, hold on.
You gotta do the back of the spoon like that?
Yeah, that's what you're gonna use, the back of the spoon. Okay. Let's see. See if it's... Oh, you want to do it like that? Yeah. You're gonna have to go a little bit deeper than that. You're not gonna... Nobody's gonna be able to see that. No, that's not what I mean. Like... See? There you do it. And you can come back the other way and see what kind of pattern it gives you, but you're gonna have to tap, knock it down again a little bit to get it off the sides. You see?
Oh yeah. Hard when you're not left-handed.
What?
It's hard when you're not left-handed.
Oh, just turn it around. And plus, too, the sugar that I put in it heats it up as well. And the milk. Well, the sugar's from the milk.
What? Wasted.
Hmm?
Sorry. Oh, yes.
You gotta clean off the sides. You don't want to leave it like that.
Like when it after.
Yeah. And then do this side. Let me turn it around.
Like this, yeah.
It's so much nicer doing soaps with you. Shania get on my nerves. Yeah. Boom, there it is. If you want to texture it some more, we can let it sit.
Yeah,
and then
I feel like that didn't do what I thought it was going to
well,
do.
yeah, just let it sit for a little bit longer, and then you can texture some more. And you can put this stuff back. All right, guys. Thank you for hanging out with us again. This is a little shorter one for you. This is also one of my staples, which is a natural soap. No fragrances, natural colorants, and all that good jazz. So, as always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and bye for now.
The walk in the morning. Repeat you over and over again.